This is the Seven Women Boutique Hotel, the guest house. This is the entrance. We have Didi looking after the plants. Then we enter the cafe area. It's a beautiful cafe. And there's the kitchen. And we've got a beautiful avocado tree. This is the reception where we receive the guests and move on to the lounge room. It's a beautiful, peaceful place. We also have a display of products from the Seven Women Center. This is the common restroom. Then on the ground floor we have 2 twin rooms. This is the first one. It's got a wardrobe. And then this is the second one. Second twin room. This one's smaller than the first one. Then this is a common area from which the guests can use the shared bathroom. This is on the ground floor. Then we go upstairs. All along the stairs we have these wonderful portraits of our women from our center and the guest house. This is the first floor. We have a bathroom here. This one is a double bed with an attached bathroom. It's also got a balcony outside, a small balcony. This is the second one, which is quite spacious. It's got a small study table and a wardrobe. And for this, the restroom outside can be used. Then we have another room here. And the other room is this beautiful bedroom, which is nice and airy. This is the biggest one in the guest house. It's got a lovely corner with a wardrobe and attached bathroom. Then we have this nice and sunny lounge area, a common area where guests can stay. And then we move on to the second floor. Continuing the portraits and the photographs of the Seven Women. This is another room which is like a bunk bedroom, but just a small space that's ideal for kids. A raised bed, This floor also has a kitchen area, so if a big family wants to stay, this is perfect. Nicely equipped with everything. This one's again a big room with a double bed, with a study, table, small display case and wardrobe. And from this room you can look out to the rooftop garden that we have. Beautiful flowers out there. Then we go through these glass doors, and here we are at the rooftop garden. We have one more level where we have a slightly different kind of setup for the guests. So again, here's a common area where guests can stay, and we have this very nicely set up room with 4 beds, and an attached bathroom. So if there are friends, teenagers who want to share a room, or friends, yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, so this is what it is, and from here we can again go up to the roof and have a look at this view. Beautiful trees outside.